Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ijama. If you are new here, welcome. I always say to stay subscribed to my channel because I give you guys some great content. Today's video is going to be a Temu bag haul. I have some gorgeous bags in here that I wanted to share with you guys. These are all from Temu, and also these are just about to be perfect for us getting into the spring season in a few months. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, make sure to stay tuned. Let's get straight into this video. So for the first bag, I have this right here. This is what the first one looks like. First bag looks just like this, guys. Super cute. And as you can see in the background, I actually have green slipper heels like right here that matches with this. Looks so good, so cute together. This is the bag inside. Let me take this out. This is what the bag looks like inside. So it is pretty spacey actually for a small handbag. It's supposed to be, you know, just like a small bag that you just carry around like this. This looks so good. I don't care what anyone tells me, this looks so good. And honestly, wearing this out for brunch is what I see myself doing this coming summer. So I'm looking forward to that, guys. I'm super excited for spring as well as the upcoming summer because we are going all out. Okay, so that was this one. Let's move on to the next one. And also, by the way, guys, I don't really know what this material is made out of, but it's pretty sturdy. I would also recommend not putting too much inside the bag, only because of, you know, the handles. So, and this is what it looks like underneath. And also this is cloth material, by the way. So let's move on to the next one. The next bag I want to show you is a denim bag. I don't know, I just feel like everything Y2k and denim just goes really good together. And if you are aware, Y2k is coming back. It's just like, I don't know, it's just really perfect for the season. This is what the bag looks like. This is the bag up front. So as you can see, it looks just like a jeans. So it has the pockets here, and these are actual pockets, so you can actually store stuff in there. This is what it looks like from the side. It has more pockets, and same thing on this side. And then this is what it looks like from the back. So as you can see, no pockets in the back, but this is what the zipper looks like inside. So it does have a zipper. I will actually go ahead and just zip it for you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like zipped. Okay, even the zipper is actually pretty good. Like, it looks good. You know, there are times where you can tell that the quality is not going to be what you are hoping. But this actually looks really good. And then it has this buckle right here. You can adjust the, I guess, the length of the bag just by pulling that down. So, super cute. I don't know if you can't really see me with it on, but really cute, guys. I actually can't wait to wear this out. It is going to be a gorgeous outfit. I just can't wait. Moving on to the next bag. So next up we have, I kind of want to say this is like knitted. It reminds me of like a crochet wear kind of bag that you would wear to the beach. But it's not really crochet. It is cloth material, but it's not crochet per se. This is what the bag looks like. Super cute. And it has like a double strap here. As you can see, it has two straps like this, which makes the bag a lot more sturdy. This is what it looks like inside. So again, like I said, it is cloth material. This is what it looks like all around, just giving you a 360, and this is it underneath. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting stuff that's like too heavy in here because it just may not be able to be that. it's not that sturdy of a bag. It's sturdy, but it's not that sturdy for you to put in super heavy items in here. So this is what it looks like all around, you know, carrying it like this. I will actually be taking Instagram pictures with this, creating some really, really dope outfits. If you are interested in getting outfit inspo, whatever, make sure to head over to my Instagram and follow me on there. I will put my handle right here so you can go check me out. But nevertheless, guys, this is this bag. I got this same kind of bag in another design, so I'm gonna show you guys what that one looks like. So this is the other design that I was talking about. This came in a yellow and purple color. So again, this is the exact same bag. So it does have the two, like a double lining for the handle. This is what it looks like from this side. This is it inside, super nice. It's also very roomy actually. It does have a lot of space, but I just wouldn't carry anything that's too heavy in here. And then this is it. So again, I would also say these would be super cute going on vacation. You know, if you plan on traveling or whatever it is, these would do you justice. I don't know, I just really, really love how the bag looks. I just imagine this with a nice little silk satin dress, walking around, super cute, super nice. You can also create like a 90s vibe with this as well. So it's really just up to your creativity. Again, guys, I will link everything down in my description box because Temu is giving, okay? I really didn't know that Temu had stuff like this. So I was shocked when I was on there. So I will put all my information down in the description box below. Okay, so I think I have two more that I want to show you. This one right here is so good. So this is probably going to be like my shopping bag whenever I go shopping and I just need like a little handbag. I think I'm going to take something like this with me. This is really just giving 90s retro vibe, but like in a modern way. So the color is just giving clean girl vibe. I'm really, really into this color. It's like I call it oatmeal color. Oatmeal is slowly becoming my favorite color. Anything like creamish, beige, oatmeal, you name it, whatever, count me in. Like this is my color. And I really love this because it has the handles, as you can see right here. It also has the shoulder strap that you can adjust. The buckle is right there. I think this is the longest actually. This is the longest that it goes. So as you can see, it's not pretty long. But I also don't think it would look good if it was too long anyway. So nevertheless, super cute bag. Walking around like this, really good, really nice. I think the material is called like corduroy. I don't know, guys. If I'm saying it wrong, please let me know in the comment section. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's supposed to be like a corduroy, I don't know, material. So, and I guess you can see that once I come a little bit closer to the camera, it has this cloth feel to it. So yeah, really good, really nice. Can't wait to wear this out. Remember, make sure to stay subscribed for more videos. I will be coming out with a bunch of videos for you guys. It's a new year, okay? We are doing big things for the year and I have a lot in store for you guys as well. So make sure you stay subscribed so that you don't miss out on any one of my videos. Okay, so this is the last bag that I have. This bag is probably my least favorite, and that's also why I saved it for the end. But let's go over the material. The material is cloth. All the bags I got in this haul have some kind of cloth material to them. I didn't get anything that was leather or any, you know, plastic looking bag. No, everything is actually made of this cloth feel. And that's just because honestly, that's what's in. And I feel like these look really good. But this bag in particular is like one of those bags that I don't really know where I would wear this to. This is what it looks like inside. I don't know where I'd wear this to. The quality is not the same as the other bags. However, you know, it does have room for a bunch of things. It does have this strap right here. I think this is more like a baguette bag that you would just like put on like this and walk around with. It doesn't have any additional straps or anything. So this is it, guys. Just gold and black, pretty simple. So I shouldn't say that it's not nice, because there is a way to wear this, but you really have to make sure your outfit is on fleek. Okay, you can wear this and make it look nice. You just need to have the fashion sense and fashion skills to be able to pull it off nicely. But on a scale from 1 to 10, I think I would give this bag a 5. Mainly because it's just not really my style. Everything else I got in this haul, I think, is a 10. Okay, quality wise, looks wise, whatever, you name it. Everything else was a 10, but this one would get a 5 for me. So all right, so that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope that you guys like my video. I will make sure to link everything down in the description box as well. And also, guys, make sure to stay subscribed to my channel for more videos like this. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.